Queens, today is the day for a new hair reveal. Woo! Yes, today is the day for the new hair reveal. And I am super excited about this new hair reveal because, Queens, I'm telling you, as soon as I put this hair in, the very next day when I went out, I was getting all kinds of compliments on this hair. I kid you not, all kinds of compliments. Even people that were driving would honk and say, "I like your hair. I like your hair." So, you know, I'm super excited about that. So I'm going to show you what I am wearing underneath this beautiful cap. And we're going to talk about this cap in a little bit too. This was handmade by one of my clients, and she does this as a side job. So I'm going to leave the information in the link below. So if you want to get these stylish caps, and I have another one I want to show you, you can go ahead and contact her for these caps. So today we're going to talk about faux locks, because what I am wearing are the faux locks. And faux locks, like I said once before, is just called faux locks, a fake braid. It's a fake lock braid. And so for you guys who don't know what a faux lock is a fake braid, but it comes in a different variety of curl patterns. So this curl pattern here is pre-stretch natural wavy twist. That's what it is. This is. And so if you can see the curl pattern here, I'm going to take it out the bag. And I did this installation, and I'll put the link down below. I did do this installation, and it turned out really, really nice. Now this is loopless, so you're going to have to just knot it yourself, but it's an easy installation, and it's a long-lasting installation, and it's very durable. So this is one curl pattern, which is called a pre-stretch natural wavy twist, and this one is 18 inches. Okay, that's one. And there, like I said, there's a different variety of curl patterns. This one is the popular boho hippie by Free Tress. This one is really, really popular, and again, is long lasting, very durable. And this one is the boho hippie braid, and then there's the boho hippie without the braid. And so what I like to do, Queens, I like to mix my faux locks. So I would get this, the braid, and I would get the regular one without the braids, and then I would just mix it in just to give it another different kind of look. So this is what this is, a different curl pattern. And then we also have here, now let me tell you about this, Queens. When you order online for your crochet braids, always get an extra pack. Now, one of my clients left this behind, so if you are watching, and there's some lashes in here too. So if you're watching, please, you can come and pick up your hair. I'll have it here for you. But this is another faux lock curl pattern, spring hair, and this is T1B gray. Very pretty. So I tell you guys, when you order online like this, go ahead and order 2 packs. 2 packs just to be on the safe side, to ensure that you have enough hair for your installation. A lot of times the ladies will order just the 1 pack, and you have to remember, Queens, if you have a small head, a medium-sized head, or a large head, then a larger head, you need a little bit more hair. But I always say, when you order online, order 2 of these packs. And sometimes they'll let you order 1 pack, and then you can order maybe 2 extra small packs on the side. But whenever you're ordering online, make sure you order 2 packs. And that way, because a lot of times you guys get colored, and a lot of times they don't have that same curl pattern, especially the color, if you go to one of the beauty supply stores in the area. So you want to make sure that you get 2 packs of this when you order online. And that's anything that you order online. Always make sure that you get an extra pack, because you don't want to be in the salon getting your hair done and your stylist has like 3 more braids to go, and then we run out of hair. So that's not a good thing. So make sure you guys do that. And the other thing I wanted to tell you guys about the faux locks is that this month we are having a special. So if you come in and book for this month, you get a free shampoo and conditioner with your faux locks. So I just want to put that out there. That is for this month only. So again, queens, without any further delay, I'm going to pull off, and let me make sure I have my, hold on queens, hold on. Let me get the information for this next look. Give me just a second. I'll be right back. Okay, I got it. Now, for you guys who don't know me, I have been on YouTube for a long time, and I took a break in between trying to get my business up and running. I took a long break. Then I came back a year ago and then took another break. And so now I am back permanently. So you guys, please comment. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know what videos that you like that I've previously put out, so that I can really fine tune and focus on what you all are liking from my channel. So let me get with the great reveal. Now you guys see this little pocket that it holds your hair in the back. So I'm gonna take this off so you can say woo, 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 woo. I gotta hold my glasses. All right, there it is, queens. All right, woo. Look at that, look at that. All right now, y'all, all right. This is so freaking pretty. Oh my goodness, I love this hair installation, and unfortunately I got to take it out in maybe another 2 weeks. So far I've had this in for maybe 2.5 weeks. I want to say about 2.5 weeks. But you guys, people just stop me. I mean, they just stop me and say, oh, I love your hair, I like your hair. And my last video on the beauty supply, the last beauty supply video, and I'm gonna throw that up so you can see, watch that video, because this is the beauty supply stores where I picked up this hair. And so this is the hair I was telling you guys about at the end of the video, when I said, you know, okay you guys, I've got my hair for the next new hair reveal. So this is it, and I'm loving this hair. And you guys, look at that. Don't look at my gray hair. Just look at the curl pattern, y'all. Look at the curl pattern. Bypass my grays. Okay, so this is it, and I'm loving this hair. So it is the free tress braid for, guess what you guys, kids. It's in the kids section. Look at that. Okay, so that's the kids section. That's the Singalese twist with curls, 8 inches. And I used 8 bags of the hair, and it comes in a small packet, so I use 8, and that will get you this fullness. And because I can't see the back, I tend to put a little bit more, I make a little bit more heavy in the back, but it doesn't have to be that heavy, you guys. You don't have to put, and then if you have, now queens, if you have a larger size head, go ahead and grab an extra pack. Okay, that way that will ensure that you get the look you're looking for. And I've even had, you know, a couple of my clients got this same installation, different colors. And that's another thing. This hair comes in 1B, 2, 4. Okay, one is a black, 1B is an off black, 2 is a dark brown, 4 is a lighter brown, 27 is a blonde, 30 is like a brownish copper. Then you have 530 when you get into your burgundy, and a T530 is a two-tone, a T30 is a two-tone lighter brown, and a T27 is a two-tone lighter blonde. So yeah, it comes in a lot of colors. And so I just decided, because it's so hot, and my last installation was a 24-inch. Yeah, 24-inch. And it was good. I liked the look. It was cool. It was fine and everything. But that just wasn't my type of thing. I'll go like 12 or 14, 16, like that length. 24 was kind of too long for me. But I just wanted to show you guys that install. This is 8 inches. So this 8 inches gets you a little bit past the shoulder. So what I did was I just cut up a little bit and angled it a little bit. And that's it. And as you can see, queens, this right here, you can shampoo this hair. So gingerly shampoo it. You're not trying to get to your scalp. You just want to shampoo this hair, because this hair is plastic fibers, and then it can pick up like odors like cigarette smoke, fish, and that kind of thing. So if you smell, or even if you're outside for a long time and you just want to, you know, just refresh the hair, go ahead and gingerly shampoo it. With a quarter size of shampoo, a little bit leave-in conditioner, and just run your hands through it. And then do that in the morning time. By the time the evening hits, then your own natural hair should be dry. And if it's not dry, get your blow dryer and put it on low or cool, and go ahead and lift up the faux locks, and then dry your hair underneath. Or if you have a little at-home hood dryer, put it on the lowest level, and you can sit up under there and lift these up, and just make sure that your natural hair is dry, because you don't want your hair smelling like cheese. You don't want that smell. No, you don't want that smell. So that's what you want to do with this hair. And so, queens, I am loving this installation. Let me see if you guys can see the back. See the back? Okay, hopefully y'all guys can see the back. But this is it. This is it. Yep. So I'm loving this look, and it's yeah, it's easy. You know, you can put headbands on, or, you know, fix it up however you want to. I just happen to like mine to lay on this side. So yeah, queens, this is it. The single leaves twist with curls, 8 inches. So I will post for the next ending video. I'm going to put the beauty supply video up, the beauty supply store video up, so you guys can see where I picked up this hair. And for you queens that are not in Georgia, wherever you are, you can go ahead and order this hair online. Okay, you guys just order online. Of course, Amazon, and now I don't even know Walmart has where you can order online. I didn't know that one. All right, queens, that is it for this video. You guys like, subscribe, and comment. All right, queens, you guys be blessed.